Welcome all to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So today we will learn how to make a data clean and in a proper way, in a presenting manner. So data can be presented in a good way. And so first we will learn how to remove extra spaces from the data fed in the sheet. So the first command for today is trim. Trim is a command which we use to remove extra spaces from the data cells. So now we will learn how to apply. So as you know, you have to apply equal signs to write down any formula. So first you have to write the trim. You can also select the command from the drop down as I have. So now you have to select the text from where you want to remove the extra spaces. I have selected. Now close the bracket. Just press enter. Now you can see that the extra data is now removed. So from the other data set, just you have to just drag down the formula by selecting or pressing the Control D. Control D button is used to drag the sheet from the first cell. So now you can see that all the extra data is removed now. Only the data without extra space we have. So now we will learn how to change the case of the letters in the cell. So first we will know how to change all the cases into a lower case. So again we have to press the equal sign and type lower to change the case into lower form. Now select the text and press the enter button. Now you can see that all the text is in the lower case. Same again you have to drag down the formula to get all the results. Again for changing into uppercase, the next one is uppercase. So for changing into uppercase you have to type upper, select the text which you want to change in uppercase. You can select this or this, whichever you want. So because this is a killing, as we are going step by step, we will select the coming data. So I have guys selected and press the enter button. You can see that all the cases is in the capital letter, as you can see. Now in proper case means the first letter becomes a capital and the rest become the small, as we believe the each alphabet is a capital. Title case, as you know, the title case is the same as the proper case. So now you have to apply proper, because command is in proper, so we use proper, not title. So it's a proper case, we use proper. Now you can see the first letter become the first letter of the word becomes capital. Now you have to just drag down the formula to get all the results. Again, as you can see, now we will learn how to replace first character from initial, from between, or from left or right. So first we will learn how to replace character from starting. We want to remove initial 3 characters or 4 characters, so we will use a command replace to replace this letter. So replace. Now you can just select the text from where you want to replace. Now select the starting number is the number where you want to replace the character from. First if you are want to replace from starting, so you have to select 1. From second you want to replace with second. From third you want to third. So as I want to replace from the first, so I have selected the 1. It will replace from the first first letter of the word. So now how many characters you want to remove, you have to type that one. I want to remove initial 3 characters, so I have written 3. So now you have to select the new text. You have to just press the inverted commas, close the bracket and press the enter. As you can see, the first 3 letters are removed. You have to now drag down the formula to get all the result. As you can see, there is the initials is too long, so it is not, it's removed only 3 characters, as we applied the formula for 3. As you can see, there is a 4 characters are in here. We have to write out 4. Where we have written 3, you have to write 4 to replace all the 4 characters. So as you can see in the message, there is 4 characters, so we have written 3, so we will write 4 to remove all the 4 letters. So now you can see that all the 4 letters are removed, as you see, as in it is T removed. There is 2 character left extra, so we will write 3 plus 2 5, so it will replace initials 5 character. So all 5 character replace. Simple. 3 increase, so we can write 6 or 7. One space is there, so now you can see all 7 are 7 character. 1 2 3 4 6 the words, and 7th one the space, it is removed. Same we can change all the data so that we can the clean data. 3, we can write 4, 5. How many we want to remove, we can just write that number only, as we want to remove 5, so we can write 5. So now we will learn how, if you want to remove not from the initials, from the between, you can also use the same command to replace text. Select the text, as we have selected this, so we want to remove the not from second, or we want to remove just two characters. Just put comma and put the inverted comma and close the bracket, and you can write that. You can see that the first is rest, and in between of the two characters removed from in the between after leaving the first letter. So if you drag down the formula, you can get the same result, as means the correct, as it is written is formula is 2. From second is replaced two character. So from second is replaced two character, including second one. So as wherever at from any position you want to remove, you can select that one. If you want to remove from third letter, you can select 3. Remove the fourth letter, you can select 4. So as you know, now we will want to remove the salutation from the data. We have to separate the salutation and the name from the delimiter. We have to first select the data from where we want to remove the we want to separate the salutation and name. Then from this data we will try to separate both salutation and name, change into the two columns different. So first we have to move to data and select the text to column, because we are just going to use text. As we can see the tab, we are separating by space, or other is the dot. So you can select both. Now you can next go to finish, and you can see the data is now separated. Salutation is separated from the name. Now you can see the salutation is different column and the name is in the different column. So now we will learn how to join again. Now we have separated. Now we will try to join again. The last one for today. Now I just for the food, as you know, there is a command to join the two columns is concert in it. You have to write concert in it and select the first letter which you want to join, and the second comma, second, and press enter. So you can see that both are now in the same column. So there is no space. So first we have to create a space. So but this is not a clean. So we will, for creating space, we will just add one more column which contains the space. So now we can drag and the present. Now we will try to join all the three columns to get the proper data in proper way. Use the command same concept to join. Now we select the first column to join, comma, and the second which one to join, the third one which you want to join. As many as you want, you can join. You can see the space is there in between. Now we will drag the formula to get all the result. You can see all the results are there. The space is between there. If you do not want a space, you want full stop, we can, whatever you want, we can put just full stop and space. It will automatically read full stop and space. Every column is a full stop, so it will join again. So this is for today. Hope you all learn a new things. Thank you, thank you very much for watching my video.